Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is May 2nd, 2016. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by $4.75 to 2063 and 3/4 per contract. You can see the futures really came off the overnight lows right around 3 o'clock in the morning, and now they're starting to retreat a little bit. So we'll see how this market plays out today. We'll see where it goes. Again, we had a little bit of a slightly weak Friday, but the markets did come off the lows before the closing bell. So today is a Monday where the volume is expected to be on the lighter side. That can help the major stock indexes stay buoyant. But in the news, we do have lots of stocks to talk about. Right off the bat, we have Baker Hughes and Halliburton in the picture. It looks like they will not be merging, so it has been announced that the merger between Baker Hughes and Halliburton is off the table. This morning you'll see Baker Hughes trading at $48.22, just down about 22 cents from the close on Friday. Halliburton, on the other hand, is trading at around 41.11. This is down from 41.32 on Friday. So again, just small declines here. We're not seeing any big major moves, but it does look like that deal is off the table. The merger between Halliburton and Baker Hughes is no longer in play. It looks like that deal has been taken off the table and they will not be merging. So again, those stocks will be in play today. I happen to think that Halliburton is overbought here either way you look at it, and I also think that Baker Hughes probably near term is overbought. So just on a daily chart basis, maybe for a few days is overbought. But Halliburton certainly looks overbought to me in the near term. All right, let's take a look at Apollo Group. It looks like they have a consortium of bidders that are going to pay $10 a share for the stock. Stock is gapping up, closed at $7.80. So if you own it, it's trading at $8.70 now. Just trail your stop loss. We'll see what happens. We'll see what comes out of it. I don't know if we can make too much out of it at the moment. I want to talk about Baidu. This is a big Chinese internet play here. It looks like China is investigating their paid search on their search engine. So again, stock is down, trading at 187.30 today, closed at 194.30 on Friday. So this is a pretty big hit. But traders, if you're aggressive, should keep this level on the radar. And the level I'm going to give you is $175. Gets down to 175 today. That's a level I think where traders could step in on an intraday basis. So keep that on the radar. I'm not sure if it gets down there, but it very well could. Sometimes these things have a tendency to move big, especially a big ADR like this. Let's take a look at Broadsoft. Ticker symbol is BSFT. And what you're going to see here is stock is trading at 38.50. Looks like they had an earnings announcement. Stock closed at 39.16 on Friday. No real volume here, so not much we're going to make out of it. I do think the stock is overbought, though, so be a little bit careful with it. I do not really see much upside at this stage. Let's take a look at SYY, which is Cisco Corp. This is the food Cisco, not the computer companies or the computer infrastructure or networking play Cisco. This is the food Cisco company. And what you're going to see here is stock is trading at $46.75. It did trade through the 47.20 level, but it has come back down a little bit. So this is up this morning. It closed on Friday at 46.07, so decent little pop. We'll be watching this once the opening bell rings. There's not much we're going to do with a gap play or anything at this point in time. Let's take a look at Weyerhaeuser. It looks like they sold their pulp business to International Paper. Stock is getting a little bit of a bid. Closed at 32.12. Now trading at 32.50 this morning. So when I look at Weyerhaeuser, I don't think there's a whole lot of upside left in the chart. So be very, very careful with it here. Stock is severely overbought on a daily and weekly chart basis at this point in time. OPWR is being bought out by Oracle. So this stock is trading at $10.35. It closed at $7.90. If you own it, trail the stop loss or take the money off the table. If you don't own it, there's not much we're going to do here. Oracle, I believe, is buying the company out. And what you see here for Oracle is stock is basically trading flat from Friday's close. So no big movement there, but worth keeping on the radar today at some point in time. Let's take a look at UPL. They are filing for Chapter 11. So Ultra Petroleum Corp is filing Chapter 11 bankruptcy. And again, no play there whatsoever. Stock closed at 31 cents, now trading at 13 cents. So there really is no play there. Let's take a look at Diamond Offshore. I think they had earnings. Stock right now is trading at $24.95. Closed at $24.26. So a nice little uptick there. All in all, when I look at this stock, and I did a little bit of math on it this morning, I do not see the stock trading above 25.50. So, maybe there's another 50 cents in there. I'm not even sure if there is, but I don't really see the equity trading above 25.50 today, tomorrow, or the next day. All right, let's take a look here at gold. Gold is trading up $7.70. Take a look at the GLD. Trading at around 123.85. Remember, the GLD trades till 4 o'clock, where spot gold closes at 1:30. So this is actually pulling back a little bit. Right now, the GLD trading at 123.83, closed at 123.65. So you got a little uptick there. And again, gold futures are up $7.80 at the moment to $1,298.50 an ounce. Crude oil is trading lower by 13 cents to $45.78 a barrel. Crude oil has been very strong as of late. There could be still more upside in crude oil. I do have crude oil levels that I will be looking to short when they are hit. And again, if you want those, come over to the intraday stock chat or take a 7-day free trial to the Research Center, which is our swing trading program. You'll get our levels in there. I'll have those updated each and every night on oil, gold, 10-year U.S. Treasury note yield, and the S&P 500. So again, we'll go over those in the Research Center or the daily market report, whichever we talk about. But either way, oil is down just a touch here, but it's still holding up pretty well on the charts. All right, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. Today is a Monday. Sometimes you do get a little bit of a lighter volume trading day, and markets can stay afloat. And that's what we're looking at least this morning. So we'll see how this all plays out, and we'll take it one step at a time. With that being said, everybody have a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.